Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to remove Hyundai Santa Fe tail light. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the negative battery terminal immediately. Next, open the hatch and remove interior trim clips to expose the tail light fasteners. Carefully remove the 3 mounting bolts, unplug the wiring harness, and slide the tail light assembly out with firm, even pressure. Keep bolts and clips in a small container for reinstallation later. Begin removal by folding seats or moving cargo for access and removing interior trim panels with a pry tool. Locate and remove the 3 mounting bolts using the correct socket size, then support the tail light assembly with one hand. Depress the wiring harness release tab and pull the connector straight out to avoid bending pins. Gently work the assembly free from the body, checking for any hidden clips or adhesive points before fully extracting it. If you are finding this guide helpful, please hit subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which makes hands-free music and voice control great while you work on your car. It pairs easily and keeps instructions in earshot without touching your phone. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If the connector is corroded, apply electrical cleaner and gently work the pins free to avoid damage. Replace any broken clips with spares and keep a plastic trim tool handy to prevent scratching paint. Before reassembling, test the new or removed bulb and all light functions while the harness is still disconnected, then reconnect to confirm operation. Take your time to avoid stripping bolts or misaligning the assembly during reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.